This machine is specifically designed for liquid products such as energy drinks, functional beverages, and vitamin drinks. It employs ceramic pump filling ensure accurate, stable, and leak-free filling. Applicable materials: energy drinks, sports drinks, fruit juices, tea drinks, etc. Filling range: 10 milliliters to 70 milliliters. Customizable. Packaging speed: 30 to 80 bags minute. Optional configurations: nitrogen filling, sip cleaning, date coding, etc. The entire machine is controlled by a PLC and touchscreen, making it easy to operate. It allows for one-button formula switching and is widely used in the food, beverage, and sports nutrition industries.